Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this cluster mesh stitch. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, make as many as chain crochet stitches as you want. I am making it for tutorial purposes, so I am not taking many stitches. You, as per your project, you take as much as stitches you want. I am giving you slow demonstration for this chain crochet stitches, so even though you are absolute beginner, you won't have any problem. I'll just complete the stitches and I'll show you. You make as many stitches as you want. See, I'm done with my chain crochet stitches. Now skip the stitch after this current loop. Skip that stitch, and from next stitch onwards make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. See, we'll skip first stitch, and from second stitch we will start making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. See, I'm giving you slow demonstration for single crochet stitch also. If any of you want to refer single crochet stitch, link is already given there in description. You can refer that video. It is quite slow demonstration is given in that video, so it is quite easy to understand. Okay, I'll just complete this whole row and I'll show you. I'll just complete this whole row making one single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this row and I'll show you. Once you are done with the last stitch, now our pattern starts. So we will make 2 chain crochet stitches and turn our crochet work. Now in first stitch itself we will make 1 double crochet stitch. See, I'm giving you slow demonstration for double crochet stitch also. Even though you want to refer a tutorial video for double crochet stitch, link is already there in description. Okay, in first stitch we made a double crochet stitch, and now in second stitch we will make a double crochet stitch. This is going to be only in starting of the pattern row. Okay, now we make 2 chain crochet stitches and we will skip 2 stitches, and in third stitch we will again make 1 double crochet stitch, and in next stitch 1 more double crochet stitch. Again we will make 2 chain crochet stitches. See, this is how our pattern looks. Now we again make 2 chain crochet stitches, then we will skip 2 stitches, and in third stitch we will make a double crochet stitch. And next stitch again a double crochet stitch. So like we have to repeat this whole pattern till end of the line. See, again 2 single crochet stitches, skip 2 stitches, and in 2 continuous stitches 1 double crochet stitch. So it's like the same pattern, we have to go on repeating till end of the line. I'll complete this line and I'll show you. Now done with the last stitch. See, this is how our pattern looks. Square, square, square. Okay, now done with the last stitch. Now we will make a chain crochet stitch and turn a crochet work. Okay, now starting from first stitch itself, we will make a single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Starting from first stitch itself. Okay, so it's like every single stitch we will make a single crochet stitch. I'll complete this whole line, and like this is our main pattern. We have to go on repeating this only. See, first chain is the chain of chain crochet stitches. That is a foundation chain. Okay. After that comes in every single stitch we are making a single crochet stitch. Okay. So leave this two, and then comes like two starting. While starting we will do two chain crochet stitches, and then one double crochet stitch in one, and in next one double crochet stitch in like two stitches, one double crochet stitch we will take, then two chain crochet stitches, and skip two stitches, and third stitch a double crochet stitch, and fourth stitch again a double crochet stitch, again two chain crochet stitches, skip two stitches, in third stitch again a double crochet stitch. So like this goes on repeating. Okay, so this is how a cluster mesh crochet stitch look like. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel, as I'm coming up with lots and lots of stitches, and rest all the videos are also there. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha. If you like the video, like, comment, and share, and stay tuned, as like I'm coming up with many more new stitches, new coaster designs, curtain tie back designs. All more curtain tie back designs are already there on my channel. So like, comment, share, and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.